the beach. Okay, there's actually all these, I can see some people up there hanging out in the, but yeah, this is the beach, so we're gonna go check it out. And there's people everywhere here. It's also in the COVID-19, so we're just gonna see what this looks like. Looks like there's quite a few people. Wow, look at that. This is my first entry into the beach right now, so yeah, there's actually yeah, we're gonna try to walk through this. So first we have to go through this mud. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. This mud. So yeah, there's a tent over there. We'll just step over here. So yeah, actually there's all this stuff over here too. There's all these houses and it goes all the way around, and there's some rocks that you can walk on. So let's just kind of check it out and see. Oh, sorry. So we're gonna walk all the way through and just see, try to get through all that sand. So I don't know. Yeah, today is so we're gonna walk through, and yeah, actually I don't know if we can get through the sand, so we might just go up a little bit, but you can definitely see there's a lot of people out. So we're gonna walk up to the part up here. So yeah, right now it's a Sunday. It's May 2nd or 3rd, I think, something like that, and it's kind of COVID-19 time, so you'll see a lot of people wearing masks. And let's try to get up here real quick. Try to go up this way. Okay. So yeah, it's also like one of the first nice summer days too. So yeah, actually that's amazing. So we're just gonna walk. Yeah, it's Sunday, May 3rd. So people are definitely enjoying the Sunday. There's no active cases in Macau. How many cases have they had so far? 645, but they haven't had any active cases in over 20 days. And I think actually people kind of need that. They need that variation of you know, like being able to let loose when it's safe. And then I guess if there's a case that comes up later, then that'll all change. But at the moment, this is the reality, and it's quite crowded actually. It's amazing. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna just come all the way across here. And I would walk through the sand, but it's you can see mostly I think mostly families in this area. So, I guess I don't want to film directly on families too much anyways. Anyways, this is kind of the base of the beach, and then later I'll see if I can walk down another area. But it's really crowded today. Popular. And let's see. There's a date up there. It's May 3rd, so this is what it looks like on HAC Beach on May 3rd. So actually, it's kind of interesting, right? Because in the past, you know, I see, well, it's a totally different context. I saw that in places like Florida, there's people at the beaches, or California, but they also have like over 1 million cases active. Well, who knows how many are active, but maybe 700,000 are active. So it's pretty phenomenal. So you can't really compare the two. But just had the date here. And then this is basically what the beach looks like. So we'll try to do some other beach ones too in a minute. But you can definitely see that it's crowded here. So lifeguard right there. So yeah, welcome to HAC Beach. Yeah, it's crazy crowded. Because there's so many families here. I'm going to turn off the camera and then I'm going to go to a different part and I'll film over in that area. But yeah, it's pretty popular today.